Solidscape's been around for 30 years. Over the years, we evolved. Now, Solidscape is a high-precision 3D printer and produce the best quality models in the industry, and all made right here in the US.
Something that's very, very critical for this 3D printing is precision positioning.
The pieces are printed using two different wax. We have a dissolvable support wax, which allows us to print these intricate details, undercuts, overhangs, very precise lettering. Once the piece is finished, you put it in what we call a de-wax solution. All your support wax just melts away in a few minutes.